If you're a crypto enthusiast, you need to know this. The CATS video code is your ticket to 10x gains. On October 4th, 2024, the phrase, "how to make 10x on crypto bankonomia" exploded in popularity. Why? Because of the popular tap-to-earn Telegram game CATS video codes. This game challenges players with crypto-related tasks for rewards, and today's challenge is all about making tenfold returns. The magic word? Auction. Players have been flocking to Google, curious about strategies that promise these incredible gains. But it's not just seasoned investors. Newbies are diving in too, eager to explore the crypto world. Want to join the fun? Follow these easy steps to redeem today's code 1. Head to the official CATS game app or website. 1. Find the redeem code section. 1. Enter the video code from October 04. 1. Claim your enhanced rewards. It's that simple. With minimal effort, you could be on your way to maximizing your crypto rewards, just like thousands of others. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and discover the potential of 10x crypto gains today.